Okay, Jualah. There was one question, what is the difference between Ijara and Jualah? Jualah is based on outcome. Ijara is based on effort. Ijara is saying like, you have to work for 8 hours, you have to work in this project, you have to finish this translation work, this and that, and you get this amount of fees paid. Juala is where it says, if this certain outcome is met by anyone or within a specific group of people, they will get this amount of reward. Jual means more like a reward, not like fees. So some examples could be like mining. If someone is mining some coal or something, traditionally this example was mentioned. If someone mines a gold repository or something, then he will get X amount of reward, for example. Today we can apply Juala in some other contexts as well. For example, debt collectors. If someone is able to collect the debts, then he will get X percentage of the debt as Jual, as commission. So 1%, the difference between in this debt collector thing, the difference between Ijara and Juala could be like, Ijara would say, you have to put X number of hours, then you get this fees, regardless of you are able to get the debt or not. But in Juala, the person may not have to put much effort. It could be a very quick work, but he was able to get the outcome, reach the outcome. So he will get the job, he will get the reward. So it is valid even the work is not specified. So we don't know if someone has to collect the debt, we don't know how long he has to work. So the work was not specified, but still it is valid. And it doesn't require acceptance. Like it could be an open offer. It could be open offer to everyone or a group of people, right? Sometimes we will find that if for some thief or someone who is wanted by the security, we will find that it is mentioned, it is announced that if someone can get hold of that person, then he will get this amount of reward. So this is also an example of Juala. It is valid even if the worker is not specified. So it doesn't need to mention that the contract is between A and B. So A is the offerer and B could be anyone. It could be a large number of people. So that's the difference between Ijara and Juala. This session was brought to you by TAIF and Adl. If you have benefited from it, please share in your social media platforms about both the entities and share the word, spread the word. Jazakumullah khairan.